Hello guys, welcome to my channel Civil Basis. Today I am discussing about the coordinate system that is used in Autocad. Without delaying, let's discuss about it. Autocad uses the very popular Cartesian coordinate system for making the drawings. We all know that in Cartesian coordinate system we have x, y and z axis. We have this x-axis represented by this red line and y-axis is represented by this green line. We also have z-axis which we cannot see because we are in the xy plane. The z-axis is pointing outside of this screen. All the points in the Cartesian coordinate system are measured from the intersection of this x-axis and y-axis, that is intersection of this red line and green line. That is, from this point all the points are measured. And this intersection point is taken as 0, 0 and 0. Each 0 represents x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. If you talk about 2D coordinate system, then we only have x-axis and y-axis. If you could see the grids here, then I have divided this whole block into 10 grids in x direction and 10 grids in y direction. You may find difficulty in seeing this whole block and these grids in x direction and y direction. So to see this whole block and all the grids, I will change the background color of black into the white. For changing the background color into white, do right click of your mouse, click on this option and click on this display panel here. You can see here is the color just below the display file tabs. Click on the colors and you can see here is the color and black is ticked here. So I'm going to change it to the white. I have white here. I clicked into the white, apply and close. Okay. Okay, now you can see clearly that this whole block is divided horizontally and vertically through grids. Horizontally, this whole block is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts, and vertically also it is divided into the 5 parts. Previously I have mentioned that this whole block was divided into 10 parts in x direction and 10 parts in y directions. But now you can clearly see that I was mistaken. This block is divided into 5 parts in x directions and 5 parts in y directions. This small square within the block represents a unit in the AutoCAD. It has x directional length of 1 unit and y directional length of 1 unit. So now you can clearly say that the size of this big block is 5 units in x directions and 5 units in y directions. Now, in order to find the coordinates of any point with respect to the origin, all we have to do is to find its x values and y values. For example, if you need to find the coordinate of this point, let me show you a point here. To show a point at any desired location, go to this draw panel, click on this extended draw panel, and you can see here multiple points. Okay, click on this multiple point. Now I want to find the coordinate of this point, so I just want to show you the point here. I click here. A point is clicked here, but you cannot see the point. So to change the point style type, press ESC, that is escape command on your keyboard, and it will escape the present active command. So now the AutoCAD is out of the command. To change the point style, type DDPTYPE, DDPTYPE and click enter. Here you can see the various point style. I just click this point style Okay. Now see, the point you have chosen is appeared as this cross mark. So we have the point here. The x coordinate of this point is from the origin is 5 units, and the y coordinate of this point from the origin is 5 units. So the Cartesian coordinate of this point is 5 comma 5. Okay, let's see the coordinate of this point using AutoCAD. For that, select this point. The point is selected here, and then do right click of your mouse and click on this properties. So here is the geometry. The position x is 5, the position y is 5. This is how you find the Cartesian coordinate of any point in the AutoCAD. In another video, we will talk about some unit settings in AutoCAD. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, and thank you.